Hi, my name is Lori with Figs Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of Expert Village, today we're going to show you how to make an entire Thanksgiving meal. Our first step to our whipped potatoes is to start off with about 6 tablespoons of butter. I'm just going to go ahead and put that into the bowl. And now, because my potatoes are still hot, I'm going to use a towel, and I'm just going to, with a spoon, I'm going to scoop out the fleshy part of the potato. Now, because it's been cooked all the way through and it's nice and soft, it should just pop right out. One thing you want to make sure of whenever you're making this dish is you want to make sure that you do not get the skins into your dish, because we're making a whipped product. It's going to be nice and fluffy, and if you have skin in there, it's not going to be so nice and fluffy. And actually, it pulls away really easily, so that's probably the best way to get rid of your skin here. And for this recipe, I'm going to use about 3 medium to medium large sweet potatoes. What I want to do is I'm just going to look through real quick, make sure I didn't leave any skins in there. If I do have a skin, I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Like I got a little one right there. They can sometimes sneak in on you. There's another one.